So I encourage you to use a text expander. The one that I use is called TextBlaze, and it's a Chrome extension, and I can easily get to it through this little icon, and then I go to the dashboard. And here I can set up a bunch of different codes that are expansion codes that I can use that mean things to me. And so I will show you an example. So within the paper that I'm grading, if I wanted to tell someone to indent a paragraph, I could use a code /ind, and it automatically puts in this sentence, indent the first sentence of your paragraph. If I wanted someone to put in a period in a certain place, I could say /per, and it'd say you need a period at the end of your sentence. Another one that I really like is when I find a word that needs to be capitalized, I will highlight the word and I'll put in /cap. And then I can use, you should capitalize this word, or I could say, do not capitalize these words. Or any variation. You should not capitalize this word. And so on and so forth. And then I'd get rid of this. Another place I like to use the text expansion is over here where I say, let's say Charlie. Let's say Charlie didn't submit an assignment. I can say /SNA. It says you did not submit the assignment. You can turn it in late for partial credit, and so on and so forth, signed by me. Or, since she did submit an assignment, I could say some code for a particular assignment, and I could say the purpose of this assignment is blah, 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 and lots of good generic feedback, and then I can come in here and tailor the feedback to this specific situation. So that saves a lot of time as well. I resisted using text expansion for a long time, but once I did start using it, I loved it. I still also use a Word document and copy and paste things from my Word document, but there are certain things like these that I showed you that I just need to use over and over again. And it's nice not to have to copy and paste them, but to just be able to instantly have them when I type in a code. So use a text expander.